Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to easily convert PDF to Google Docs. So let's get started. So now here we are on our Windows right here, so in our PC. So from here, in order for us to convert this PDF file that we have right here, which is a sample one, is we would need to upload this into the drive. So this is one of the methods right here. There are other methods, but this is the easiest one and the quickest one. So and from here, once you have successfully uploaded it into your drive, you may now right click on it. And from here, you would want to go with open with and click on Google Docs. And then we will now be prompted with the Google Docs right here. And it will now be opened right here. So just wait for it, and here it is right here. So from here, you can now edit your PDF if you would want to. So for example, as you can see right here, I'm gonna make an edit right here. As you can see, I'm typing like that. And then once you are done with your edit right here, you may now save this right here. So click here on File and click on Download if you want to save it as Docs, as a PDF right here. So if you want to save this as a Google Docs, then all you have to do is just to simply save this one right here. So you can click here on Make a Copy right here and make a copy of that, and then you will now be able to see it here on your list of Google Docs right here on your account. So as you can see, you would now have it right here, which is this one. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.